So last topic we are talking about here. This is important facts about the Gauss law. Important facts about Gauss law. So Gauss law. So let's start here. What are the important facts about the Gauss law? So the number one is electric field lines are leaving the surface then electric flux is means phi is positive. Phi is positive. Why? I am telling you the explanation. The written notes I am attaching with this particular video files. Why it is positive? See, if this is the surface, अगर यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन क्या होगी, लीव कर देंगे. The surface is available here. The electric field line. Electric field lines are what? Leaving the surface. Leaving the surface. Electron is coming out from the surface. Coming out by the donating property. And donating property, it is represented by always the positive. That's why I am telling you electric flux is positive. Second is, when electric field line are entering the surface, then electric flux phi will be negative. Phi will be negative means entering means electrons are accepted by the surface. Accepted by the surface by means it consisting the what? Accepting property. Accepting property in physics always represented by the negative. So that's why the phi is negative. So hopefully you understood two important facts about the Gauss law. Gauss law always depends on अगर आपको मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन याद है तो इजीली यू कैन से दैट कि गॉस लॉ किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन इज समेशन q अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट. गॉस लॉ ऑलवेज डिपेंड ऑन टोटल चार्ज present in the body and medium means epsilon naught, maybe epsilon m. Okay, so ये important है, which is very very important about the Gauss law. Gauss law always depend on the what? Total charge and the medium. Total charge and the medium. Next property is when the total charge of closed surface is equal to zero, then always try to understand is equal to zero, then electric flux is also zero. Electric flux is also zero. Either it is uniform electric field or non-uniform इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. अगर यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हो या नॉन यूनिफॉर्म है उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर चार्ज जीरो है तो फ्लक्स भी जीरो हो जाएगा. एग्जांपल 4, अगर यहाँ चार्ज जीरो है, चार्ज प्लस जीरो में किसी को भी डिवाइड करो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? जीरो. दिस इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द point number 4. So now we are talking about point number 5. Gauss law is only valid for those vector field follow the inverse square law. इनवर्स स्क्वायर लॉ ऐसा क्यों बोला हमने? फाई इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? ई डॉट एस होता है और ई इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? के क्यू अपॉन क्या होता है? आर स्क्वायर. तो ये आर स्क्वायर क्या है? इनवर्स नहीं है. सो दिस आर स्क्वायर इज इनवर्सली, सो वी कैन से दैट इनवर्स स्क्वायर लॉ. Inverse 1 upon it is inverse square law. Hopefully you understood the fifth number point. And last number point 6. Okay, the sixth one is, I'm writing here 6 one is by which you can able to see the clearly the understanding about the last important facts about the Gauss law. So the last important facts about the Gauss law is the total electric field lines are entering is always equal to number of electric field lines are leaving the surface. Okay, means agar this is a surface, two lines are entering, so it must be two lines are leaving. Okay, these are the important facts, 6 important facts about the Gauss law. Hopefully you enjoyed the lecture series of this physics. So any doubt you can comment in the section and hopefully बहुत अच्छे से आप पढ़ाई करो. Don't worry about that. Thank you so much. Have a good day.